This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Beth Page. Welcome to Certified Green Neighborhood, Grove Park Commons. This home features an open concept floor plan with freestanding, dual-sided fireplace and large screened-in patio. Many updates, including all new hardwoods and carpet throughout, as well as updated light fixtures and paint. The exterior was recently replaced with Hardie Board siding. The kitchen includes beautiful granite countertops, updated cabinetry and stainless steel appliances. The master bedroom is located on the main level and an enormous bonus room is located upstairs along with the additional bedrooms. Neighborhood Park is conveniently located across the street. For more information, review the details below or contact Beth Page at 865-687-1111.